Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show you step by step how you can build a beautiful wedding website by using Wix platform. Even if you are you have never built a website before, you can easily create an wedding website after watching the video with Wix. You can easily create a stylish and mobile friendly wedding site too. Then you can share your love story, display your event details, then you can collect RSVPs and show your photo gallery also. So without any further ado, let's get started designing your or our perfect wedding website. So first of all, what should you need? So you need to create an Wix account. So when you will arrive onto the Wix platform, you will get this kind of an interface. As you can see it, this kind of an interface, and you just need to click on get started. Once you click over here, then here you just need to fulfill this form and then click on sign up. By clicking sign up, you will get to the dashboard, and here you will once you sign in, which will ask you what kind of a website do you want. You just need to be type wedding into the search bar and hit enter. Let me create a new site. Just click on create new site. Once I click over here, then here you can see that they are giving us that bring your ideas to life with AI. Tell us about the site you are creating and get personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage. So I will click on setup without chat. So I will select this one. Once it's select over here, then here in the options, here you can see they are telling us that what type of website do you want to create. So in here I am going to choose it that will be a wedding. So I will type it wedding. Let's say wedding, and let's select this one, and then you just need to click on continue. Once you click over here continue, then it will prepare your dashboard for yourself. Then in the next step, we are going to talk about the template. So I just want to import a template. So here you can see that even name will be the wedding, and then I will click on continue. So you can either skip it, it's totally depend on you. So here, what type of event are you hosting? Tell us you are planning, and you will be help you to set it up. So it would be like ticket event, like set pricing and capacity, or you can collect registration only or collect RSVPs and set wait list. So this one might be perfect. So I will select this event panel, and then I will shift to the continue, and then here you can see set the time and location. Let's your guest know when and where to catch event. So this will be the date, and here you can set the end time, and then you just need to be click on this is a recurring event. Then where will the event take place? You can say the physical location, and you can type your address, the venue name. It could be United States, and this is the address, and you just need to click on continue. Once you click over here, then here which tools you like to add your website. It could be site setting map, then event schedule, Wix mobile apps, online store. I think these two will be perfect for this wedding website. Then I will click on continue. Then here you are all set. Head over to dashboard to finish setting up your site. You just need to click on continue. Once you click over here, your wedding site has been created amazingly. So here you can see it. So now I will click on design site. You just need to choose the template for your wedding website. That's why I click this one, and here they are give us two options. On up is customize a template, and another one is generate a design with AI. So I will click on pick a template. Once I click over here pick a template, then it will take a while, and they will give us the options to pick a template. Here you can see that we get familiar website who belongs to wedding. Here you can see it. So you can go with any of them. It's totally depend on your preference. So here I will click on this one. It's might look good for me right now. That's why I will click on this one, edit. Once I click over here, it means we already choose our wedding website template. So Wix has version of wedding a specific template. For just search wedding in the template library, you can pick on that match your wedding vibe. Like it could be elegant, romantic, even modern and boho. Then you just need to click on edit. I already show you, and to open it in Wix, like when you will click over here, it will be open in the Wix editor. And don't worry, you can customize everything later. Let me give you a tip, that is choose a template with RSVP and schedule section built in to save time. So I will close this one, and here you can see we have couple of options in the left, and here this is our website, and here you can see we have this RSVP options here, then we have registry options also. That's really amazing. So we already done our creation, so we will shift to the next step, that is edit the home page. So like if you are starting by customize the home page, then you are allowed to do it. Here when you select and cast like sections, and you will get the options in the top that's called quick edit. Just click over here, quick edit, and here you can easily change all these background and images from that place. And the main thing is Wix properly support drag and drop builder. Like you just need to drag and drop the text and sections element, then you can easily create your website. So first of all, you can change the wedding date and menu. So here you can see that is the thing. So I will click on layout. Again, let's click and quick edit, and here you can see we have the options to edit it. So there is a couple of things we are not allowed to edit it. So here the sections start from this one. Again, let's click on, and here you can see this is the editing option for this section. So here if you click on manage event, then here you will get the option to manage your event. So if you want to change your date, your time, you can do it from that place. So let's click on setting. Once I click over here to the setting, let's see what will happen here. Just click on setting. So you just need to go from that place as I saw you. So here you will get the options to add your like event in here. So through these options you can easily add your events. So let's come back to this one, and here if you want to edit the text, you are allowed to edit it from this one. So when you hover on, you are allowed to edit it, the title, then whatever you want to do it, you are allowed to do it in Wix right now. Next we are going to add wedding details. Like most templates come with an event details or schedule section. So you just need to make sure you always include ceremony start time and the location, then receptionist details, then dress code, direction or Google Maps also be embedded. To edit, just you need to be click the sections and update the text style as you need it. Then consider adding a wedding itinerary if your wedding spans multiple days. So once you've done all the things, then the main thing comes up, that add RSVP foundations or functions. So here you can see we already added RSVP function in here. So this is one of the most important feature in wedding website. Like let me give you an option one that called quick. Like use the built-in RSVP form in the template. Click on the form, connect to your email, then customize the form fields, name, number or guest, meal and preference, etc. You could use it, and you can make it by Wix form. This is the advanced one. You just need to be use Wix forms or Wix events, then automatically collect the export RSVP response to spreadsheet. Like you could try it, whatever you feel will be easy for you. So once you found out that your design has been done, here you just need to set your domain and publish your site. So here you can see we have this button called publish. You just need to click over here. Once you click over here, then here you can see that congratulations, your site is published and live now. So I will click over here and I will visit that place, and here you can see no events at the moment. So we did not set any event yet. So I will go over here and I will set an event, though I can see it. Like click on manage event, and then here I will get the options to create an event, add event, RSVP event. Then here eventually you just need to select all the things, then just click on the thing like create draft, given name, I will give my name. Then here I will click on create, and here they are telling us to provide the United States address. So provide your address over here and then click on create draft, and your event draft created perfectly. So you can customize the form, then you can check this out, preview setting, all things, then click on publish. Once you click over here publish, it will be published perfectly. Now here if you go to this panel, here you will get this RSP form and the things you want. So here this is the form you have. So if I go to the home, then you will get the design that our RSP is working and all the necessary thing is connected perfectly. So let me give you some final tips that always keep your site updated with any changes to the schedule, and add hotel and travel info if guests are coming from out of town, and always set a password for privacy if needed. And don't forget to embed a countdown or a playlist for your fun touch. And that's how you can easily create a beautiful wedding website with Wix, and it is a complete beginner friendly video. I try to break down step by step process for you. If this video helped you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. So thank you for watching the video.